Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to your YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing about what is the importance of selection. In our previous video, we have discussed what is selection. In this video, we'll be discussing what is the importance of selection. Importance of selection. Selection is an important process because hiring good resource can help increase the overall performance of the organization. In contrast, if there is a bad hire with a bad selection process, then the work will be affected and the cost incurred for replacing that bad resource will be high. As we all know that a good resource in a company or an organization will be an asset. Hence, hiring a good resource is very important. And for hiring the good resource, selection plays an important role. So, hiring a good resource is only possible by following a proper and good selection process. By selecting a good resource, it increases the overall performance of an organization. Vice versa, if there is a bad hire in an organization with bad selection process, then the work will be affected due to bad hire and the cost incurred for replacing the bad resource will be multiplied, which will increase the cost incurred in hiring process. Hence, selection plays an important role in hiring process. The purpose of selection is to choose the most suitable candidate who can meet the requirements of the jobs in an organization, who will be a successful applicant. For meeting the goals of an organization, it is important to evaluate various attributes of each candidate such as their qualifications, skills, experiences, overall attitude, etc. In this process, the most suitable candidate is picked after the elimination of the candidates who are not suitable for the vacant job. Selection plays an important role in choosing the right candidate who is required to meet the requirements of the jobs in the organization. Hence, hiring the right applicant is very important for the company. Each company has their own objectives and goals, and meeting these objectives and goals of an organization is very important. It is very important to evaluate the attributes of each candidate who has applied for the job vacancy with their qualifications, experiences, skills, and most importantly, the attitude. In this selection process, the most suitable candidates are chosen after eliminating the candidates who are not suitable for the vacant job. This will help the process of selecting the right candidate for the vacant job position in the organization. The organization has to follow a proper selection process or procedure as a huge amount of money is spent for hiring the right candidate for a position. If a selection process is wrong, then the cost incurred in induction and training the wrong candidate will be a huge loss to the employer in terms of money, effort, and also time. Hence, the selection process is very important and the process should be perfect for the betterment of the organization. As we all know that in recruitment, a huge money is spent for hiring the right candidate for the vacant position in the organization. If the selection goes wrong, then the cost incurred in hiring, induction, training the wrong candidate will be a huge loss for the company in terms of money, time, and efforts. Hence, the selection process should be right, and it is very important to follow a right process of selection in hiring the right candidate for the vacant position in the organization. This will help in the betterment of the organization, in reducing the losses and making the organization to meet its objectives and goals by hiring the right resource. Advantages of selection. A good selection process offers the following advantages. It is cost effective and reduces a lot of time and effort. It helps avoid any biasing while recruiting the right candidate. It helps eliminate the candidates who are lacking in knowledge, ability, and proficiency. It provides a guideline to evaluate the candidate further through strict verification and reference checking. It helps in comparing the different candidates in terms of their capabilities, knowledge, skills, experience, work, and attitude, etc. A good selection process helps in selecting the best candidate for the requirement of the vacant position in an organization. So finally, what we can conclude is that by having a good and right selection process, it will help the organization in fulfilling the vacant position by selecting the right candidate. Hence, selection is very important for any organization for hiring the right candidate. So dear friends, in this video we have seen the importance of selection and the process of selection, which is very important for the organization in hiring the right candidate. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.